I love the scanner. You can just scan the barcode. You don't have to type it in, and it populates it on the screen. That's a huge time saver. It's just, I love it. We used to sublet our alignment. So a lot of the times the technicians have the ability to replace suspension parts, but they don't know if it's done right. So we have to wait to take it to the alignment shop and then get a result. And it turns out, hey, you needed one more part or whatnot. Now the efficiency is way up because we can just, it comes right into the house. Hey, the alignment machine is ready for the next technician who's doing suspension work. So we're able to just speed through that. It's been really good. The customer satisfaction comes from two-prong attack. Number one, they're happy that they're getting their car back faster by us. And number two, they're more comfortable knowing that they can bring the car back to our shop for future alignment issues. The team values what we put into our equipment, and they're just as eager to learn to use it and take care of it. To be able to do their jobs faster, they get excited to see that technology is being incorporated into the body shops. There's a lot of room for it, and so when you see the shop is investing in these new tools, then they're excited to work here. Continued education is super important because then sometimes you forget if you don't touch the machine for a few months, which can happen sometimes. So in order to stay up to date with all the improvements, we have to continue training on it, I would say regularly. Currently, we are in the works of getting our iCar Gold certification. We're about one more class away from achieving 100% gold. So that's something that we're also excited about because it opens the door for us to start working with OEM brands like Toyota, Honda, GM, Chrysler, Ford. The market has a lot of need for bigger trucks, semis, and RVs. So with the space that we have here in the new bay that we're hoping to build within the next year, I would be interested and actually really interested in seeing what machines John Bean has available for bigger like RVs or bigger trucks with a bigger chassis so that we can do those alignments here too.